Welcome, my dear student. Today I am going to show you how to incorporate your daily lab copy in the attendance sheet. I think all of you already have your Gmail ID and respective Google Drive. Open your Google Drive and make a folder over here, new folder. Okay, and then rename your folder as per your lab code LPP and your group X or Y. Suppose it is, take example for X, and then underscore your roll number. Suppose it is in 3-digit XXX. Okay, and also you will mention over here your semesters also. Okay, S3 LPP underscore S3 dash group X or Y underscore followed by your 3-digit roll number. That means 1 then 001. If it is 10 then 010. Okay, and then create. Then you will find a folder has created already, and then right click on this folder, generate a shareable link. How to generate? Just look after it. Here you will find that link will be restricted only for the people you want to share, but suppose it should not work for any circumstances, so better it will be recommended that click on anyone with this link. So we are the teachers, anytime can access this folder. Okay, then from this copy link tab you should copy it, click on done, minimize the browser and open a new text pad and paste it here. Okay, this will be your permanent cloud folder link. So just copy it from here again and put it to your attendance link, where all of you already got those attendance sheet with every respective classes. So what I am showing you for today, I am incorporate another row in your attendance sheet where I written over there, paste the link for your lab copy cloud folder. For example, create a folder in your Google Drive as I already show you, and how to rename your folder. Here is the example, and generate a editable link and copy that link and paste it here. Okay, so up to this mark your task is temporarily completed, and when we ask you to do some submission of any pre-assigned tasks in the laboratory, you have to just open your drive and put a file like PDF or Word. Better it will be PDF. Suppose we will be asked that show how you prepare your PPT, how much, in which condition it is now, up to this, how many page you have created, how many slide you have created. So just paste the PPT file over here or PDF file over here, whatever information you gathered from open sources, how you learn the software. Suppose we we ask you that make a Excel file with different datas and paste it here. So in here your file should be in that name. Your file should be like that. Your name, suppose your name is ABCD and EFGH underscore particular date, suppose today is 11th 11/09-2020. That's all. Suppose after that, if you like to submit a PDF, write just .pdf. Okay, definitely it will be not capital, it will be in small letter. Automatically whatever types of file you made, it carries the extension name automatically. Just you have to rename this part with your name, rename this part, this highlighted part, your name along with the date, and copy that file in that Google Drive folder, whatever you already made, and put accordingly whenever you asked to submit the specific copy or specific task or assignment. So everything is arranged properly during the examination. You will not to be in hurry, will not to be in tension. Everybody's copies and lab copies and submission is arranged properly in beautiful manner. Okay, besides your name. So that's why I am including this row in your attendance sheet. For right now, you just make a blank folder and create a link and paste the link over there. Okay, so I like to finish it here. I think already you have understand. If you have any queries, just ask me in the next class. Thank you.